What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
I've been in there. It's actually pretty neat. There's a lot of the floors and walls are covered in tombs. So everywhere you walk, there's tombs. But for people you'd recognize, like, there's one for Shakespeare, although I don't think he's actually buried there, but there's a monument for him. And for a couple of the kings and a lot of royal family. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we're not gonna go in there today. You can Photoshop the thing over top.
What?
So depending on how great Jives' After Effects skills are, we might stick a little clock tower over top of this guy. And maybe some actual apartment buildings there. But for now, it's just scaffolding. Still pretty. Very ornate. Yeah.
What up, Big Ben? Trust me, he's there.
Yeah. He's going to be the master of disguise. David Lloyd George looks thoroughly pissed off that the building's covered. He's like, what the heck? Come on!
You having a good time?
Yeah, I am. See, he's there. He's just wearing a new winter coat.
Kenny McCormick cosplay.
I was thinking scaffolding cosplay.
It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Please join the train now, as it is ready to leave. Platform
Yeah.
5 will be full
I don't want to wait in that line.
That's ridiculous.
But you can pretend that you were there.
which is ready
I like Harry Potter, but not as much as those people apparently.
So this orange building over here is where in the second Harry Potter film, Ron and Harry fly their car in front of. When they can't make it to the platform, which we also didn't make it to.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just like
Just
Ron
like the
and Harry.
second film.
Yeah.
Only there was a really long line to stand up
Yeah.
in front of this thing.
Not really worth it.
Yeah.
It's cool to see, but yeah. Let's find a beverage. I'm thinking down here might be the beverage place. Hello, pigeon. This is a bizarre place that I don't even know what it is. Something. It's got something to do with coal. Okay, we have to be kind of close to Camden then. Strolling along the water towards Camden. It's been really cool. cool. I wonder if it's like living on a spaceship, except with gravity. And then a man in the way. Wiggles. There he is.
Oh, I was trying to get out of your shot.
There's a little Monopoly guy.
Piercing thing up there.
Oh yeah? It's cool. A little crazy. What are you doing? Looking for records?
So what do we call this place?
Camden Market.
Pretty fascinating.
Yeah. We came here last night, but it was all closed up, so it's much cooler when it's not closed up.
Really unique looking shops.
Yeah.
What up, bringing Zesty back?
I'm bringing Zesty back. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.